Hello, welcome to RSCodelabs. Before getting into the roadmap on how to become an automation tester in just 45 days, I would like to tell about myself. From the past 3 years, I have been supporting US, UK, and Indian professionals for their job support, also help them to migrate from manual to automation with my 45-day course plan. And these are the frameworks that I have developed from the scratch. They are TestNG, Cucumber, Serenity, Jeb, and Spock. And these are the API automation frameworks that I have developed. They are Rest Assured and Karate. You can also view my profile on LinkedIn. Now let us see the importance of automation. Why should we really learn automation testing? We know that industry demand is very high. Right now, the companies want faster releases, and automation is the only key to achieve that. That is why automation testers are in a high demand across all domains, be it a finance, e-commerce, and insurance. Automation testers are in a high demand. And we know that automation testers earn more than manual testers. And this automation skill open doors to senior roles and estate roles. That will help us for our career growth, and also it will help us to sustain in the software industry for a long time, having job security. Now let us see what happens if you stick to only manual testing. You'll be having only limited opportunities. Nowadays, in each and every agile model they're following, they're only preferring the testers who know automation. Whether it is a manual requirement, still they wanted it to have automation knowledge on it. And if you still stick to manual testing, your growth and promotions may be slower, and you may not be involved in all projects, agile projects especially. And if you don't know how to do automation, then you will be end up with higher workload and having less efficiency. Now, before revealing the key secret and systematic approach to become interview ready in just 15 days for the Java and Selenium requirements, and to become a job ready having a framework knowledge in another 15 days, and to become a pro working on 3 different frameworks, taking help of AI and integrating it with Git and Jenkins, I'm going to tell you how we differ from others. Here we allow only 15 students per batch so that everyone will get personalized attention and the queries can be resolved during the session itself. Everyone will be unmuted and the questions they can ask and get it resolved during the session itself. And we are easily reachable. We also support interview preparation. If any interview got scheduled to you based on the job description, we'll be providing the interview questions and also conduct mock interviews. We also provide on-the-job assistance if you're already having a job and struggling at some point of time. The way we teach is different from others. We conduct live programming sessions. Each and every topic will be explained through the program. For example, for an array, like how to create an array, how to create a single array, two-dimensional array, how to iterate it using the loop. Each and every concept will be explained through programming, and this programming will be done on the live. We won't be showing any existing programs. It will be done on the live so that you can also practice at the same time. And on the daily wise, we'll be sharing a document that you can refer for the particular concept. Also, we'll be sharing a short video, a 10-minute video for the whole recording we do for 1 hour. It can be revised in just 10 minutes, referring this video that I'm going to share every day. So that on the same day, you will be able to practice it and get confidence and get rid of the code fear. And we also provide lifetime access to recorded sessions. You can go through it at any point of time. It's not only one time, it's a lifetime access we're going to provide. And we're going to work on a real-time project. And we're going to use a Git, Jenkins. I'm going to tell you like how to install, how to deal with the Git. So here you can see like these are the different projects that I worked on, and it's being shared to everybody. And we're going to work on this website. It's RSCodelabs solutions, which I have developed to practice all the Selenium interactions on this e-commerce website. And you can also see like I have also installed Jenkins and configured the jobs to run on a daily basis. This also I'm going to show you how to do it. Now I'm going to walk you through the roadmap that I have prepared to become an automation pro in 45 days. Many of the tutors prepare courses such a way that they allocate 70% of the time to Java and 30% to the Selenium. So by the time you complete the Java, you will lose interest on the Selenium and you won't be able to ready even for the interview. But I have designed this course such a way that you will become an interview ready in just 15 days, discussing both the basics of core Java and Selenium. So by completing these 15 days, you will be able to automate any kind of website. You will be able to interact with any type of element, like be it a drop-down checkbox, or you will also be teaching advanced locator identifications, and you will also be teaching the core Java basics, whatever is required for the automation. And by end of this 15 days, you will be able to start applying for jobs. And in another 15 days, I will make you strong in framework development. I will be discussing each and every framework component that is required for any kind of framework, be it a TestNG, Cucumber, or Spock. Any kind of framework, it requires some utilities. I'm going to have a live session on how creating them. And also, I will be again teaching you the Java, which are required, advanced Java concepts that are required for the framework development before I start with Selenium framework development. I'm also going to tell you how to use Gen AI, how to make our development faster using Gen AI tools like ChatGPT and GitHub Copilot. And another 10 days, in the last 10 days, I will be teaching you how to use the existing developed components of framework that you have developed for TestNG and convert it into Cucumber, and from Cucumber to Spock. We'll also be seeing how to integrate our scripts with a Git and Jenkins. And at the end of the session, we'll be discussing on all the topics, whatever we have covered. So this will make you ready for attending job interviews in just 15 days. And also, it will make you to strong in framework development at later phase, and also help you to use AI automation tools. By the end of the course, I'm going to give you a robust framework which you can use for TestNG, Spock, or Cucumber. This framework was developed following all the standards. You may directly use the existing utilities in your framework if you're already having it, or you can do it create from the scratch, referring this framework. You may also put it in your resume as a live project. This was done on a TVS Motors, and it has integrations with Extend Report and also with Git and Jenkins, and it was developed on the Maven. And the price of this course is, I have set it to 250 USD, including lifetime access to the recorded sessions, soft copy materials, 10-minute revision videos, and also the framework, 3 frameworks that we're going to develop on Spock, Cucumber, and TestNG. And there will be a bonus or discount for the referrals as well. And you can do the payment in 2 installments. You don't need to do any advance payments.